Hi guys, welcome. Today, in this video, you are going to practice real English speaking the right way. Not book English, not difficult grammar, but real, simple, daily life English that people use in the USA every single day. This video is specially designed for A1 and A2 beginner English learners. If you understand English but still feel scared to speak, if words come to your mind but your mouth doesn't move, then this video is for you. Inside this video, you will practice daily conversation sentences that are used in real situations. At a shop, with friends, on a phone call, at a restaurant, while traveling, and in normal, everyday life. These are not random sentences. These are tested, common, natural American English sentences. Now, let me clearly explain how this video works, so you don't get confused. The method is very simple. First, a sentence will be spoken slowly and clearly. Second, you will listen carefully. Third, you will repeat the same sentence out loud after the pause. That's it. No pressure, no speed. Just listen and repeat. This method is called shadowing practice, and it is one of the fastest ways to improve speaking. Think about how babies learn a language. They don't read grammar books. They listen. They copy. They repeat again and again. We are doing the same thing here. If you practice every sentence with focus, if you speak loudly, not in your head, if you stay with this video and don't skip, your pronunciation will improve. Your confidence will grow. Your speaking will start feeling natural. Before we start, remember 3 important things. Number 1, watch the video completely. Skipping breaks your practice. Number 2, speak loudly. Listening is not enough. Number 3, you can pause the video and repeat one sentence many times. That is perfectly okay. Now, let me show you a very quick example. The sentence is, "Good morning, how are you?" You listen first. Then you repeat, "Good morning, how are you?" "Good morning, how are you?" See? Very simple. Now we will continue exactly like this, step by step. So relax your shoulders. Sit comfortably. Take a small breath. And get ready to speak English. Speaking head practice starts here. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone. How are you today? How are you today? I'm doing great. Thanks. I'm doing great. Thanks. What's your name? What's your name? My name is Alex. My name is Alex. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Where are you from? Where are you from? I'm from the United States. I'm from the United States. How old are you? How old are you? I'm 27 years old. I'm 27 years old. What do you do for work? Explanation. What do you do for work means asking about someone's job or profession. What do you do for work? What do you do for work? I work as a software developer. I work as a software developer. Where do you live now? Where do you live now? I live in New York City. I live in New York City. Do you like living there? Do you like living there? Yes, it's exciting and busy. Yes, it's exciting and busy. Can I ask you something? Can I ask you something? Sure, go ahead. Sure, go ahead. Are you free this evening? Are you free this evening? Not really, but tomorrow works. Not really, but tomorrow works. That sounds good. That sounds good. What time should we meet? What time should we meet? Let's meet around 7. Let's meet around 7. Let's move forward and practice more useful daily English sentences. These sentences will help you speak comfortably in real situations. Focus on pronunciation. Speak clearly and confidently. Now listen carefully and repeat after me. How was your day today? How was your day today? It was pretty good, just a little busy. It was pretty good, just a little busy. What did you do during the day? What did you do during the day? I worked most of the time and relaxed later. I worked most of the time and relaxed later. That sounds nice and productive. That sounds nice and productive. Did you eat anything interesting today? Did you eat anything interesting today? Yes, I tried a new restaurant nearby. Yes, I tried a new restaurant nearby. What kind of food did you have there? What kind of food did you have there? I had pasta and a fresh salad. I had pasta and a fresh salad. Was the food good or just okay? Was the food good or just okay? It was actually very tasty and fresh. It was actually very tasty and fresh. That's great to hear. That's great to hear. Do you usually eat outside or cook at home? Do you usually eat outside or cook at home? Most days, I prefer cooking at home. Most days, I prefer cooking at home. Cooking at home saves money and feels healthier. Cooking at home saves money and feels healthier. What do you like to cook the most? What do you like to cook the most? I like cooking simple meals that don't take long. I like cooking simple meals that don't take long. That makes sense for busy days. That makes sense for busy days. Now let's practice some workplace and daily routine English. What time do you usually wake up? What time do you usually wake up? I usually wake up around 6:30. I usually wake up around 6:30. Do you start work early in the morning? Do you start work early in the morning? Yes, work starts at 9 sharp. Yes, work starts at 9 sharp. How do you get to work every day? How do you get to work every day? I take the subway most days. I take the subway most days. Is the subway crowded in the morning? Is the subway crowded in the morning? Yes, it gets very crowded during rush hour. Yes, it gets very crowded during rush hour. Explanation. Rush hour means the busiest time when people go to work or return home. Rush hour can be stressful sometimes. Rush hour can be stressful sometimes. That's why leaving early really helps. That's why leaving early really helps. Now let's move into some everyday social English. These are the sentences people use without thinking. You'll hear them at work, with friends, and in public places. Listen carefully and repeat after me. Are you busy right now? Or do you have a minute? Are you busy right now? Or do you have a minute? I have a little time right now. I have a little time right now. What's going on? What's going on? I just wanted to ask you something quickly. I just wanted to ask you something quickly. Sure, go ahead. Sure, go ahead. Do you think this is a good idea? Do you think this is a good idea? Yeah, I think it could work well. Yeah, I think it could work well. We can always change it later if needed. We can always change it later if needed. That sounds reasonable to me. That sounds reasonable to me. Now let's practice polite and natural responses. Sorry, I'm running a little late today. Sorry, I'm running a little late today. No worries, take your time. No worries, take your time. Thanks for understanding. Thanks for understanding. Of course, it happens sometimes. Of course, it happens sometimes. Let's move into casual friend conversation. Do you want to grab a coffee later? Do you want to grab a coffee later? Yeah, that sounds like a good idea. Yeah, that sounds like a good idea. What time works best for you? What time works best for you? Anytime after 5 works for me. Anytime after 5 works for me. Perfect, let's meet around 6. Perfect, let's meet around 6. Now some common end-of-day English. I'm feeling pretty tired today. I'm feeling pretty tired today. Yeah, it's been a long day. Yeah, it's been a long day. I'm going to head home and relax. I'm going to head home and relax. That sounds like a good plan. That sounds like a good plan. Get some rest. Get some rest. You deserve it. You deserve it. Notice something important here. Nobody is using difficult words. Nobody is speaking perfect grammar. They are just speaking naturally. This is how real English sounds in daily life. Simple, clear, relaxed. Now let me tell you something important before we finish. If you understood most of this video, that means your English is already inside you. You don't need to memorize rules all day. You don't need to translate every word in your head. You just need more real listening and real speaking practice like this. So here's what I want you to do. Watch this video again. Repeat every sentence out loud. Pause if you need to. Copy my voice, my rhythm, and my confidence. If you practice like this every day, even for 15 minutes, your English will start feeling natural. Your hesitation will slowly disappear, and speaking English will feel easier than you expect. If this video helped you, please like it, share it with someone learning English like you, and subscribe to the channel for more real-life English practice. Thank you for learning with me today. Keep listening, keep speaking, and I'll see you in the next video.